Kalpana. Today in this video we are going to prove trigonometric identities. Tan theta equals to sin theta by cos theta and cot theta equals to cos theta by sin theta. Theorem. For any acute angle theta, prove the following identities. Tan theta equals to sin theta by cos theta and cot theta equals to cos theta by sin theta. For any angle, acute angle is nothing but an angle that lies between 0 degrees and 90 degrees. Okay. So firstly, we'll construct a right angle triangle. Okay. A ray at initial position moves to a terminal position AY and forms an acute angle theta. Acute angle is nothing but angle that lies between 0 and 90 degrees. Okay. So, let angle X AY equals to theta. Okay. So, now consider a point P on ray AY other than point A and a point M on ray AX other than point A and draw a perpendicular PM which forms a right angle triangle. Opposite side, adjacent side and hypotenuse. So PM be a perpendicular. And triangle AMP be a right angle triangle. Since it is right angle triangle, so we have trigonometric functions. Sin theta is equals to opposite by hypotenuse, that is PM by AP, and cos theta is equals to adjacent by hypotenuse, that is AM by AP, and tan theta equals to opposite by adjacent, PM by AM, opposite side by adjacent side, and cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta, that is 1 by tan theta, which is equals to 1 by PM by AM, PM by AM, which is equals to AM by PM, AM by PM. So cot theta is equals to AM by PM, AM by PM. Okay. In triangle AMP, that is for right angle triangle, for right angled triangle, we have tan theta equals to, what is tan theta you are having? PM by AM. Now, dividing numerator and denominator by AP, we get, consider as 1, we get tan theta is equals to PM. So you have to divide numerator by AP and denominator by AP. Okay. So this implies tan theta is equals to PM by AP. PM by AP is your sine theta. So replace it with sine theta. Sine theta by AM by AP is cos theta. So replace it with cos theta. So therefore, tan theta is equals to sine theta by cos theta. We have proved one identity. So what we have proved? Tan theta is equals to sine theta by cos theta. Okay. So next we are going to prove the second identity, which is cot theta is equals to cot theta by sine theta. Okay. So we are going to prove second one. Again we have cot theta is equals to AM by PM. AM by PM. Now, dividing numerator and denominator by AP, we get, consider as equation 2, cot theta is equals to AM by AP. You are dividing numerator by AP divided by, again, denominator by AP. Denominator, divide denominator by AP. So this implies cot theta is equals to AM by AP, PM by AP. This implies cot theta is equals to, you have AM by AP is cot theta. So replace AM by AP with cot theta. Cos theta by PM by AP is sine theta. So replace it with sine theta. So finally you got cot theta equals to cos theta by sine theta. So therefore cot theta is equals to cos theta by sin theta. So this is the required one, the desired result. So you have proved cot theta is equals to cos theta by sin theta. So hence proved. Therefore, tan theta is equals to sin theta by cos theta, and cot theta is equals to cos theta by sin theta. Hence proved. Okay. This is all for now. Hope you all understood. If you have any doubts, just leave your comments. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.